Alright guys, we're starting our last packet of cursive. I know you're excited because I am, because I'm ready to get this stuff over with. I'm ready to start the other writing things. Okay, so first we're going to start with some more capital letters. We're going to start with capital H. Now pay attention to how it's written up here, okay? Make sure you look at those, and please make sure you trace everything. I don't do it just to save some time, but please trace everything so your hand knows how to do it. Alright, so starting the letter H, you're actually going to start at the top and come down, and you're actually going to pick up your pen or pencil. Then you start at the next top, come down, go up, get this little hoop, and make a little tail, just like that. So this one you actually pick up to write the letter, okay? So you need to trace all that. I'm sorry, I'll slow down a little bit because I know some of y'all saying I'll go too fast, so I'll go real slow on these last couple. So you start at the top, come down, you're going to pick up your pencil, start at the top, come down, and do the loop around. If you think I'm going too slow, feel free to skip ahead to the next section, okay? I'm just going to do these slow so you can see how to do them properly. Top, come down, top, come down, do the little loop around and give it a tail, okay? Top, come down, loop around and give a tail, okay? Hope that was slow enough for you, for those that needed it. And please watch as many times you need to get it correct. And just because you see how I traced all these up here, you're doing the same exact thing, and then you're going to do one underneath each single one of them. But I'm not going to do that to save time. I'm going to show you how to do it. Come around and give it a tail, okay? Do one more. Down, down, up, loop, give it a tail, okay? But you should have one under each one of these, okay? So now you're actually listening to it, you're going to write it. That's how some of you just doing these little tally marks, and that's not a good thing. No. Okay, same thing with the letter K. You're going to actually pick up your pencil or pen, whatever, on this one as well. There's two little marks. You can start just like the H, curve, come down, pick up your pencil, start at the top, come in the middle, come down, and give it a little tail like it's kicking. It's a K. Give it a kick. Stop, come down, pick up your pencil, come down, meet in the middle, come down at the bottom, and give a little kick. Okay? Just trying to go slow so you can see it. There's no reason to rush this. You have plenty of time. If you don't finish, these videos will be here for you to finish, okay? There's no reason to rush this. I need this to be well. I'm doing good. I'm giving y'all a grade on everything y'all do, so please keep up with these packets. I'm not allowed to print anymore. Mr. Payne says I'm using too much paper. Okay? Make sure you trace every single one of them first. Get that handsome muscle memory. I know you're tired of me hearing it if you've actually been listening. Okay? And I'm going to do two down here. Here. I'll pick a pencil, come down, and give it a kick. A little curve, come down, start at the top, come in the middle, come down, give it a kick. Alright? And there should be a K written under each one of these. Okay? Let's just get through this packet. Let's be done with this. I know you're ready for it because I sure am. I'm not enjoying doing this every night. I mean, it's 7:30 right now. I'd rather be at home in bed. Okay? So I want to help you with this one. H. And like most capital letters, you stay continuous with this. H. A. N. K. That's Hank. And Kitty. I guess that's a person's name. I. T. T. Y. Remember to cross your T's and dot your I's. So I need to recalibrate again. Hank and Kitty like. Yeah, I definitely need to recalibrate. Like like Hanover. That's a place up north. Can't remember what state. I feel like it's Connecticut. Alright, make sure you put your period. Trace both of them. Okay? Trace both of them and then write it again on the bottom. K. So it's Kyle. Lives. Lives. Lives in Kentucky, which is also a state like Mississippi. Kentucky. Okay, now make sure you copy underneath it as well. They should all be written. Make sure you trace it first. Trace it first, please. Okay, I'm going to pause this video so I can recalibrate this thing. And we'll go to the next page. If it'll let me pause it. I'll just go home. It's already. Welcome back. Now we're going to start with the capital P. This one's pretty simple. It's all one stroke. Look how it does it. It starts in the middle, comes down, and loops back around. Whoa, that pen is way off. Okay. Let's see if I can go with it. Nope. Alright. I'm going to recalibrate again. Alright. Trying this again. I just recalibrated it a third time. Let's see if this works. Okay, we're starting with capital P. We're starting in the middle, coming down, coming back up, and looping around. Capital P. It's just like a normal P. It has a little tail. Start in the middle, come down, then loop back around. Just like that. Come down, loop back around. Give it a little tail first, little cape like superhero, and come back around, okay? Don't think too hard on this. The next one, I know the letter Q. Most of the time, the cursive Q is actually looks like the number 2, but this one, they're just making it a little bit more simplistic for y'all, okay? And we'll do 2 examples. Start in the middle, come down, letter P, middle, come down, letter P, and you should have one underneath each one of those. Trace them first. Okay? And now the Q, just a normal old Q. Start at the top, loop back around, come down, and that's it. I messed up on that one. Q. Actually, I'm going to start at the bottom. Then we'll start at the top. I'm going to start at the bottom. So I can loop back around and come down. Okay? Start at the bottom, loop back around, and come down. Just like that. So kind of like the 2, but it's connected. Alright? Start at the bottom, loop around, the tail, and come down. Bottom, loop around, give the tail, and come down. Okay? And basically, it's the big number 2, but it's connected all the way through. Make sure you get that little tail. I messed up on that one. See, it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. And tail. Okay? I'm going to do some at the bottom. Circles. Loop around, little tail. Just make it a little bigger so you can see it more easily. Okay? Tail. Okay? And do one for each of those. Okay? Then we're going to start with Q again. It says Quebec, Quin, Quito. Whew. Quebec is a city in Canada. Quin and Quito, I'm just going to assume those are names, although I don't know whose names they are. Okay, Q, pick a pencil. U, E, B. Remember the B looks like an R and an L combined. Quebec. You see how I messed up? I'm going to start at the top. Q, U, I, N, Quin. And Quinto. U-I, Quito. I'm sorry. I thought there was an N there. It's not Quito. And then you should copy those as well. I'm not going to do that for you because I'm trying to save time. This video is already almost 9 minutes long. And then you do the P. This is Philadelphia. P, H, I, L, A, D, E, L, P, H, I, A, Philadelphia. Make sure you put your dots for your I and a little comma. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. That is a city in Pennsylvania, another state. E, N, N, S, Y, L, V, A-N-I-A, Pennsylvania. And then you copy it on the bottom, even the little comma, okay? Don't get too stressed over this. Now, this is V and U. This is insanely quick, so I might even write this fast because these are pretty simple, okay? So, letter V, you start at the top, come down, come back up. Now, it's almost like the U, it's just they're just skinnier, and then the U has a tail, okay? V, come down, come back up. V, come down, come back up. Just like that. Just a little, still curved, but it's really narrow. It's skinny, okay? There's no reason to make them wide like that one. You don't do that, okay? Trace it properly. More narrow the better for this, okay? And then do one for each of those. Except do that one correctly. Don't follow my example. And then you're going to do the letter U. Start at the top, come down, come back up, and give it a tail. Just like a normal capital U, except it has a little hook at the end, or at the beginning, I guess. Okay? I know it's a little fast, but this is one quick motion. Okay? Come on, guys. We just got to stick to this. We're almost done. I know this packet is 10 pages, but it's the last packet we're going to get. Okay? I promise. That's the last one. That's the whole resource. Okay? And we're almost done. So then we have Aunt Violet lives in Vermont. I'm going to do the first one. I'm not going to do the second one because it's mostly all U's, and you got that. But capital A, you haven't done that in a couple days or yesterday. So big A, U, N, T, Aunt Violet, V, pick a pencil, I, O, L, E, T. Cross your T, dot your I, so make that T a little better. Lives in Vermont, which is another state. And this packet loves states. E-R-M-O-N-T. And you copy them at the bottom, even the period. Then you trace over these. Okay, trace them first and then rewrite them at the bottom. It makes it so much easier. Okay, we're just going to do one more page and then that's going to be it for this video. Oh, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The W and X, so easy. This packet's starting off so easy. Oops, I almost unplugged my headset. Alright, so W, one swift motion. Start at the top, come down, back up, down, back up. Just like a normal W. Except it has a tail. That's the most thing with cursive. They have tails. That's just what makes them fancy. Okay? Boom, 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 boom. Remember, when you finish this packet, you need to bring it to me so I can check it. Okay? If you don't finish, that's okay. That's why these videos are here. You can always go back. There's no harm in not finishing it. You always have time to complete it. Oh, see, all the way up and come back down. And then do one for each of them. That's the only difference with a W. It comes all the way up in cursive. Now, X is just like the lowercase. There's two motions. Start at the top, come down a little curve, pick up your pencil, and then slash through. That's all you do. Little curves, slash, curve, slash, curve, slash. Just like the lowercase x. You do one little line, then you put a line through, okay? Slash, slash, slash. You can even say it as a video, so now when you do an X, you just go start saying slash. Say it, don't spray it. Slash. Okay, and then do one for each of those. Those are all pretty quick letters. Then we have William Washington Wales, W, X-ray, Xavier, Xena, X-axis. Ooh, that's math. That's some graphing. I'm going to trace these for you, the ones in print, and then I'm going to call it quits for this video because it's almost 8 o'clock and I'm ready to go home. So it is William, W, I, L, L, I, A, M, William, dot your I's, Washington, S, H, I, N, G, T, O, N, Washington, Wales. Okay, and then you copy it down below. And you do the XX, slice slash hyphen ray A-Y X-ray Xavier slash A-V-I-E-R Xavier Xena, the old show called Xena, the Warrior Princess. E-N-I-A and X-axis. That is like a graph. A-X-I-S. Just like lowercase, you do the curve and you do slash. And then you do one underneath it. Okay? That's all I'm going to do tonight, guys. That's just going to be used for the morning. I hope this was simple. I try to go pretty slow, except on this last page, because it was pretty quick. But I hope y'all have a good night, guys. In the morning.